Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. First of all, happy 4th of July to everyone. I hope you get out and enjoy your Independence Day. Y'all, the phone numbers are in the description down below. That's to the White House switchboard. Please get those numbers and blow those phone lines up. Sure, they're on recess right now, but they will get the message. Also, you can get the numbers to their local offices and call their local offices. If you're in their towns, you know they're going to be hanging around their office. So protest those offices. Don't give them a minute's rest. The 2,000 plus stimulus check. Yeah, it looks bad. And a lot of people saying we're not going to get it. I feel wholeheartedly that we will get it. We have to get it. If Donald Trump wants to be in office next year, if the senators wants to be in office next year, they will have to give it to us. And they know it. So I do feel in my heart that we're going to get the 2,000 plus stimulus check. A lot of people don't. That's okay. Okay, on the first stimulus check, if you use the non-filers tool on the IRS website and you did not get the $500 for the dependents on this first stimulus, you should be getting those checks by the end of the month. Senator Lindsey Graham said we need to get off our ass and get this done. Just as he was leaving to go out for 2 weeks break. Well, he could have tried to pressure his little playmates not to go out on break, to stay there and get the work done. Just by him saying this leads me to believe that they are dragging their feet on purpose. And it all stems back to the Democrat side, Nancy Pelosi. They're trying to show her that she can't pressure them into doing anything. It's tit for tat. It's childish is what it is. The interesting thing is, as the senators are leaving to go out on recess, Nancy Pelosi said she's not leaving. She's going to stay there and work on the next stimulus package, which will be released by the end of July. Now you may say, why not work on the one that we've got on the table right now? She's done her job on that first one. She made that bill and she sent it over to the Senate. They're sitting on it. It's the Senate that's holding us up. Nancy Pelosi, y'all know I don't care for the lady. Nancy Pelosi has done her job and now she's trucking on with the next one. She's not letting grass grow under her feet. Does she have a motive behind it? Yeah, probably do. Everything political has a hidden agenda behind it. So she's no different than any others. Y'all, somebody said that Japan is giving their people $3,000 stimulus check every month. Well, if you take the Japanese yen versus a United States dollar, that's only $27.90. It's no big deal. Some of the things you can look for in this stimulus package when they ever get it done is a second stimulus check. Donald Trump says he wants it. The House say they want it, and now the senators saying they want it. Well, most of the senators. Some of them are not wanting it at all. Some of them don't even want a new stimulus package, much less a check. But more and more are jumping on board. So it looks like it's going to happen. So I would bet every penny I have that this next package will have a stimulus check in it. You can look for the $600 unemployment boost to go away. That will be replaced by a $300 to a $400 boost. and it's going to be faded out over time. Funding for state and local government. These are the three main keys that's going to be in the stimulus bill when they get it passed. Remember, this is just speculation on my part. Nothing is set in stone. We'll just have to wait and see. Just like Mooch McConnell said. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, this is a little off topic. It kind of still in the same vein. Face mask. Donald Trump will not wear a face mask. He says he don't need it because he gets tested. Well, the appearance of him wearing a face mask, he's supposed to be the leader. You lead by example. It wouldn't hurt him to put on a face mask. Now, I know he's vain. He's all about his looks. When I wear a mask, I'm ugly too. Mask makes everybody ugly. But right now, we have to have them when we go out in public. Yesterday, me and my wife went to this Asian food store, and on the door they said, everybody must wear a mask. Well, we went back to the car and got our mask and put them on. Went in the store, none of the employees, not even the owner, was wearing a mask. Lead by example. Now, with all this being said about masks, what I really think about masks is if they work, why are we closing everything down? Just mandate mask. Mandate mask. If you caught in public without a mask, you get fined. And then open everything up. If they work, why are we closing stuff down? If they don't work, don't try to make me wear one. Y'all please get those phone numbers, blow those lines up. I make these videos every morning. They released at 6 o'clock. Please come back every morning. I'll be here. And just know I love you all. Leave your comments, your love, your hate, your thumbs up, your thumbs down. I don't care what you leave. I'm going to still love you. All right. Until tomorrow. Ciao.